Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 version on RHEL 9.6. First open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. And see here at the time of installation the latest release is PostgreSQL 17.5. Click on download, then select Linux, then scroll down, then select the Redhat, RHEL or Alma Linux. See, the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on RHEL, RHEL Linux, Alma Linux and Fedora. Okay, so select the version from this list, 17, then select the OS platform. I am on RHEL 9.6. Select it. So once you selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install PostgreSQL Server 17.5. Okay, so copy these commands one by one. So copy it. See, but first it is going to install repository RPM. So open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now disable if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL modules. So paste it, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL. You have to give the version number -server. Verify the same. See, we have to give the PostgreSQL version number, then -server. Hit enter. See, it is installing PostgreSQL Server 17.5, and this is the download side, and total installed size is 42 megabytes, and these dependencies. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 17.5. Control A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is installed, but it is not started and disabled. But before starting, run these commands. That is optionally initializing the database. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now start and enable the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. Also enable sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -17. It is done. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running, and it is enabled. Okay, Q to quit. Also see here the processes, and this is the data directory, and these are the PIDs for the PostgreSQL processes: logger, checkpointer, background writer, all writer, auto vacuum launcher, and logical replication launcher. Okay, Control L. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, PSQL 17.5. This is the version of the PSQL client, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run a command, select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Okay. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So verify /du. See, we have the same. You can also get the list of the users by running a command, select username from PG_user. See, we got the same. Okay, we have only one user, so set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password in singular double quotes. See, alter roles means it is success. Now we will see how to create a database. Verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. So we can also get the same. By running, select dat name, control A from PG_database. See, these are the databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. See, we have created database. Now verify \L. See, we have created database. This is the owner and these are the DB settings. Okay. So control A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \C or \connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer mint primary key. It is typo. Hit enter. \dt. See, we have a table. Control A. Now insert some data into this table. Let us verify the same. Select star from customer. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will see how to create a user. So create user. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Here David8123 is the password. It is case sensitive. Hit enter. Now verify \du or select username from PG_data, PG_user. See, we have created user. Now connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. So to exit, we have to use \q and hit enter. PSQL-u. You must be caps. Username is David-H. H means hostname. I have installed PostgreSQL on this one, so localhost is fine. You can give hostname or localhost or loopback IP or IP of this machine. Then -d Postgres. Hit enter. Provide the password of this David account. See, we have successfully connected the user David. Let us verify. Select current_user. See, we have connected with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. Bank. Now run the query against the table that we have created in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges on this object. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on Redhat Enterprise Linux 9.6. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit from this user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Provide the password of this root account. Now verify the same. See, PostgreSQL service is inactive or dead. Okay, quit control. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you are unable to connect. So exit from this user and start. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Sorry, we have to give the version. Otherwise, it will throw error like this. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is active and running. Quit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. Verify the same. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Control A. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL Server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL Server by using the most popular tools like PgAdmin or DBeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install PgAdmin or DBeaver on RHEL versions. So, in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on RHEL 9. Okay, for more PostgreSQL and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.